In today's class, we will study the properties of different kinds of numbers with basic mathematical operations. What is the meaning of this? Different type of numbers means whole numbers, integers and rational numbers are having which kind of properties with different mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This we will try to understand under this topic. So the very first property is closure property. Closure property, this you can define as that the numbers are closed under a set under different kind of mathematical operations. If they are following this, then you can say that these kind of numbers are closed under addition, under subtraction, under multiplication or division. So first of all, we will try, we will take an example like with whole numbers 2 plus 3. The answer will be 5. Here you can observe that 2 and 3 both are whole numbers and the answer is also an whole number. So with mathematical operation of addition, both of these that whole number is closed under addition. In the similar manner, we will study with subtraction, with multiplication, with division also. Okay? So for that we will make a table. With the help of that we can understand easily that different kind of numbers are closed or not closed under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here you can see numbers and in this column we will put operations. Okay. And we will divide this further also. Okay. This is for addition, for subtraction, multiplication and the fourth one is for division. Now here firstly we are taking whole numbers. As you can observe it here in an example that under addition whole numbers are closed. Under addition whole numbers are closed. So here you can write it, yes, whole numbers are closed under addition. When you will do the same operation with you will do the subtraction with whole numbers. So what will happen here? 2 minus 3 and you will get minus 1. It means whole numbers are not closed under subtraction. So here you will not write anything, you will leave it. Or you can put it here no, or you can put it here cross. All these, any of these options you can utilize here. After that, for multiplication, 2 into 3, the answer will become another whole number. 2 3 are 6. So you can write it. Yes, whole numbers are closed under multiplication. Here you will write yes. But where you will put, now we can take any other number like 5 is divided by 7 or any other option you can choose. Any other number, any other fraction you can choose, and you can observe that under division, whole numbers are not always closed. Always, I am saying always not closed. Suppose if you are taking 6 upon 2, then it will be. So in this case, it is closed, but here in this case, it is not closed. This is an rational number, which is not a whole number. So here you will write no, you can leave it, or you can put it here cross. The next category is of integers. Whole numbers, integers. In integers, as you are knowing by the definition of integers, that negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 all comes under it. So when we will start doing this operation of addition on integers, suppose this is an integer minus 2 and this is plus 3, so the answer will become 1. Answer will become 1. So under addition, integers are always closed. Under addition, integers are always closed. Here you will write yes. Okay, beta? Next, under subtraction. Under subtraction, if you will take this is minus 3, this is the operation of subtraction, and then the answer will become minus 5. Here you can observe that this is also an integer. It means under addition and as well as this under subtraction, integers are always closed. So here also you will write it yes. After that, in multiplication, when we will choose one integer is minus 2, another is of plus 3, and when we will multiply it, answer will become minus 6. That will also a integer. So here in this table again you will put yes. But now in division, when you will put one integer minus 5, another you can take minus 7, what will happen in that case? By this subtraction you can remove this subtraction and the answer will become 5 upon 7, which is not an integer. 5 upon 7 is not an integer. So here you will put it no, or you can place here a cross. Okay. Whole number, integers, and okay, with natural number also we can study the same thing. So use natural numbers. with natural numbers, what will happen under addition? Under addition, when we add any two natural numbers, always the answer will become a natural number. So here in the table you will put yes. Under subtraction, natural numbers will not be closed. Under subtraction, natural number will not be closed, because when you will do the subtraction of this 2 minus 3, it will become minus 1, which is an integer, not an natural number. So here you will put no, or you can put it here cross. In multiplication, any natural number when you will use, let's suppose 5 into 7, it will become 35, which is a natural number. So natural numbers are closed under multiplication, hence you will put it here yes. Okay, but in division, this thing will not be possible. When you will divide 3 by 2, or you can take 5 upon 7, all these are rational numbers, not the natural numbers. So here you will put no. At last we will take rational numbers. In rational numbers, when we will use addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, then we can understand that these numbers are closed under these mathematical operations or not. So for that, what we will do? Rational numbers under addition. So we can take any two rational numbers, either it may be like or unlike or mixed fraction also. So here I am taking these two fractions for addition, 1 upon 3 and 4 upon 3, and then what will happen? Here you can take 3 as an LCM, 1 plus 4, it will become 5 upon 3. So this number is an rational number. So under addition, rational numbers are closed. Yes, rational numbers are closed. Under subtraction, what will happen? Suppose 4 upon 3 minus 1 upon 3, you will do the subtraction. 4 minus 1 upon 3, it will become 3 upon 2 upon 3. Sorry, 3 upon 3. Then the final answer is 1. 1 is also a rational number. Okay. So when we will do the subtraction, all the rational numbers will be closed. Here we will put it this, all the rational numbers will be closed under subtraction. Under multiplication, suppose it is 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 3, and what will happen? 5 into 1 and 6 into 3, the result will become 5 upon 18. That is also a rational number. So here also you will put yes, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. Now in the case of division, 5 upon 6, when you will divide it by 1 upon 3, when you will divide 5 upon 6 by 1 upon 3, this you can write as 3 upon 1 also. By 3 you will divide this, so the But in some of the cases, likewise, when 5 upon 6 is divided by 0, in this particular condition, the answer is not defined. Answer is not defined. So, for this condition, we will not get a rational number, and that is why, for due to this particular condition, the rational numbers are not closed under division. So here we will put no. Thank you.